Hello everyone. Do you like subtraction? No, right? Even I don't like. But don't worry. After learning today's trick, you will be in love with subtraction. So let's learn how to subtract faster using base complement method. Now before I teach you base complement method, let's do this question using the normal method, right? Now in normal method, we do subtraction from right to left. So here you can't subtract 8 from 5. So you will borrow 1 from here. So 1 will be left here and here you get 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Now here again you can't subtract, right? So you will borrow 1 from here and you will be left with 2 and here you get 11. Now 11 minus 5 is 6. Now here again you can't subtract, right? You can't subtract 7 from 2, isn't it? So again we will borrow 1 from here and here you will get 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5 and here 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is your answer. Now let's do same subtraction using base complement method and let's see what is the benefit of using that method. Now in base complement method we use the concept of complement. Now those who don't know what is complement, I have already done a video on that, so you can find the link of that video in the description box below. But still I'll give you a rough idea like what is complement. So let's say 1 and 9, they are complements of each other because their sum is 10. Similarly 2 and 8, their sum is 10, so they are complements of each other. Similarly 3 plus 7 is 10, so they are complements of each other. Then 4 and 6 are complements of each other and 5 and 5 are complements of each other. So you have to memorize this and it's very simple to memorize. I think it will take few seconds, but you have to be really quick. Like if you think of 1, automatically 9 should come to your mind, right? Similarly for 2 it's 8, for 3 it's 7, for 4 it's 6 and for 5 it's 5. So you have to be really quick. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Now here we can't subtract, right? We can't subtract 7 from 3. So think of the complement of 7. It's 3, right? So you have to add 3 here. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Now since you have added complement here, you have to reduce this number by 1. So you will get 2 here. Okay, now again go ahead. Here again we can't subtract 5 from 2. Okay, so complement of 5 is how much? 5. So add 5 here, you get 7. And since I have added complement here, so you have to reduce this by 1. So you get 5 here. And again here we can't subtract, right? So complement of 8 is 2. So add 2 here and you get 7 and reduce this by 1. So you get 6. So 2567 is your answer. You can check both the answers are same, right? So let's do one more problem to understand this concept better. Now here 8 minus 3 is 5. Now you can't subtract 9 from 7, right? So complement of 9 is 1. So add 1 here, you get 8 and reduce this by 1. So you get 4 here. Now again you can't subtract 8 from 4. So complement of 8 is 2. So add 2 here. So 4 plus 2 is 6 and reduce this by 1. So you get 7. Now here you can subtract this, right? I can subtract 2 from 5. So I will get 3 here. Now since I have not added the complement here, so I will not change this number. This digit remains same. Okay. So your answer is 4763. Okay. So you have to remember here, if you add the complement, then in the previous step you have to reduce the digit by 1. And if you don't add any complement, then the previous digit remains same. So let's do one more problem. Now this time let's work on the speed of the trick. Okay. So let's take one more example. So here 7 minus 2 is 5. But don't write 5 here. Okay. First you check. Is this subtraction possible? No, it is not possible. So you reduce this number and write. So 7 minus 2 is 5, but we will write here 4. Okay. Now here complement of 9 is 1. So add 1 to this number. You get 9. But don't write 9 here. First check this. Yes, the subtraction is possible. So write 9 here. Okay, 8 plus 1 was 9, no? So write 9 here. Now here 5 minus 2 is 3, and again don't write 3. First you check. Is the subtraction possible? No, it is not possible. So you reduce this by 1 and write down. So 5 minus 2 was 3. So we will write here 2. And here again complement of 7 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is your answer. That's it. So here you can see that here the best part is that, instead of subtracting, we are adding, and there is no borrowing involved. So the chances of doing mistakes are very less and you get the accurate answer. So I hope you like this trick. So do practice some questions, and that's it for this video. See you very soon with few more interesting tricks. Until then, goodbye, stay safe.